What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new financial technology company called DeFi Technologies. DeFi Technologies engages in the building and management of assets in the decentralized finance sector in Canada. So in this video, we're going to be introducing the company, telling you guys all about them, what they do, going over the stock price, their website, and their investor presentation, just to give you guys a general understanding of what the company is all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm excited to talk about them. I'm excited to bring DeFi Technologies to you guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. Drop me a comment down below. Of course, don't forget to leave a like. I do appreciate this type of video, new companies all the time, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Also, guys, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing I like to do is take a look at the stock price. We've seen lows of around $1.10 and highs of around $1.50, with it currently trading for $1.20 as of the close on Monday, June the 7th. So now let's dive into their website. That is defi.tech. Your access to the next financial revolution. Our mission at DeFi Technologies, our mission is to give institutional and retail investors easy access to previously unseen returns throughout this newly emerged decentralized financial market. We help drive investments into decentralized finance and incubate new projects to further develop groundbreaking protocols that will continue to fundamentally reshape the global financial system. So let's take a look at their three pillars. How we generate returns. DeFi asset management. Investors looking for a one-click way to get access to a broad base of early-stage DeFi projects can now simply buy shares of DeFi Technologies instead of trying to guess which protocol will make it. Made up of ETPs and ETNs, they are the easiest way for an everyday investor to take a concentrated position in a specific DeFi project without having to open a crypto account. Number two, DeFi Ventures. Investors looking for a one-click way to get access to a broad base of early-stage DeFi projects can now simply buy shares of DeFi Technologies instead of trying to make a guess which protocol will make it. And finally, DeFi Governance. The DeFi Governance product will work with decentralized networks to run independent nodes that will validate transactions and provide governance on the network. Why DeFi is the future of finance. Let's drive innovation further. It's completely transparent. Throughout the use of blockchain technology, all transactions are publicly visible, tamper-proof, and verifiable by everyone, removing the need to trust in a third party. Free of intermediaries. Every interaction between two parties is based on a smart contract. A smart contract is codified law, which makes it interoperable, self-executing, and permissionless, eliminating the need for intermediaries that charge fees and slow down the process. And finally, open for everyone. People from anywhere in the world can participate in this new financial system. All you need is an internet connection. DeFi is non-custodial, so you have full control over your assets and can use them whenever you want. Problems with decentralized finance, or CeFi. Lack of transparency. Legacy infrastructure. Banks face extremely high costs. No global access. 1.7 billion people have no access to financial services. That's roughly 20%. Censorship. Many people suffer from capital controls, poor governance, and corruption. High fees and costs. Banks face extremely high costs. Counterparty risk. Risk that a counterparty to a contract will not perform their part of the contract. So what's DeFi? Financial software built on blockchain. So DeFi is an abbreviation of the phrase decentralized finance, which refers to the assets and financial smart contracts, protocols, and decentralized applications built on Ethereum and other blockchains. Goal: enable an alternative financial system that is built bottom-up, completely decentralized, censorship-free, low-fee, fully automated, and without counterparty risk. Why DeFi? In order to access the traditional financial products, users have to trust intermediaries such as banks and brokerage firms. However, in blockchains such as Ethereum, users can access the network directly, so there is no need for intermediaries to provide trust. So here's the DeFi market, the top 10 tokens. Between 2017 and February 2021, the total value locked DeFi contracts has gone from 1.2 million to 39.94 billion. That's billion with a B. DeFi is the result of convergent evolution. Evolution on two different fronts, money versus technology, have created the perfect storm for decentralized finance. So on one side, we've got, barter, gold and coins, banknotes, digital money. On the other side, we've got the mainframe, PC, internet, social media. In the middle, blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency, and decentralized finance. So the history of blockchain technology. Blockchain itself dates back to as far as 1991, However, since the rise of Bitcoin, there has been dramatic leaps in technology adoption and development. The finance industry experienced an unprecedented technology leap in just 10 years. And we can see that by the market cap, just the overall crypto market cap. Ethereum is the backbone of DeFi. 96% of the total transaction volume of DeFi is on Ethereum. Ethereum blockchain value grew by 109 billion from Q2 in 2020 to Q3 2020. So there's the rise of decentralized finance. The case for decentralized finance: full transparency. Through the use of blockchain technology, all transactions are publicly visible. Blockchain technology, open for everyone. Users have full control, free of intermediaries. Every interaction between two parties is based on a smart contract. No counterparty risk. So smart contract only execute when both parties fulfill all requirements and therefore eliminate counterparty failure. DeFi has seen rapid adoption growth in 2020. Total value locked capitalization of DeFi projects now stands above 40 billion USD. DeFi usage is growing. The decentralized finance ecosystem is witnessing explosive growth. From CeFi to DeFi, the amount of fees on Ethereum spent on ETH deposits to centralized exchanges has fallen from 25% in 2017 to less than 1% today. For most of 2020, almost all fees spent on transactions involving centralized exchanges were used for Ether withdrawals. Leading institutions are backing DeFi. Oppenheimer Funds, Ameritrade, Bank of Santander, Soros Fund Management, Fidelity, Rothschild, JP Morgan Chase, Visa. And the list goes on. Favorable regulatory environment letter by the OCC. National banks and federal savings associations can use public blockchain to validate, store, record, and settle stablecoin transactions. Blockchain networks can mitigate costs for cross-border transactions as a cheaper, faster, and more efficient means of payment. Banks are allowed to run crypto nodes and utilize associated stablecoins for permissible payment activities. A comment: so our letter removes any legal uncertainty about the authority of banks to connect to blockchains as validator nodes and thereby transact stablecoin payments on behalf of customers who are increasingly demanding the speed, efficiency, interoperability, and low costs associated with these products. DeFi transforms a wide range of industries. From prediction markets to insurance and lending, many industries have the potential to be disrupted by decentralization. $5 trillion insurance market, the $640 trillion derivatives market, among many others. Their strategy consists of two pillars: exchange-traded products. Through a partnership with Vayler, we will co-develop exchange-traded products tracking single assets such as AAVA and Uniswap, as well as a basket of top DeFi protocols. Trade in equity. We will maintain an actively managed and rebalanced portfolio of liquid investments. The projects we will invest into will have strong user engagement, liquidity, and growth potential. Founding team has done it before, so combining public company, crypto, and fintech expertise. Pi Blockchain and SecFi, first platform that allows holdings of private unicorn shares to get financing secured by their stock. Over 600 million raised since 2018. Over $1 billion market cap as of December 2020. That's for Hive. DeFi trading, Bermuda. Bermuda strives to be one of the major hubs for a cryptocurrency business. Back in 2017, the Prime Minister created a blockchain task force to bring new crypto-related business to the island, help create jobs, and boost its GDP to prepare their economy and financial system for the future. We've created a unique structure in Bermuda that allows us to actively trade and hold DeFi tokens for Rope Master Capital. So, portfolio, equity. Luxor Technology Corporation is a hash rate management platform that offers a wide range of hash rate based instruments such as mining protocols and profit switching algorithms. Luxor is designing next generation hash rate liquidation engines for miners. Luxor is also the developer of the leading mining data website Hashrate Index. Vayler, 20% of the company. So Roadmaster has executed a definitive agreement to acquire 20% of Vayler. Vayler is a company focused on creating exchange traded products in the digital asset space. Its first product launch was BTC Zero. Bitcoin Zero is the first fully hedged passive investment product with Bitcoin as its underlying asset and charges zero management fees. In the month of December, BTC Zero was the most traded ETP on the NGM exchange. So guys, that's it for the introduction to the company. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop those comments down below. We also will be interviewing their CEO, Russell Starr. So look forward to that video, as well as he will be able to explain, a little bit more about the company, put it all together. This is just the investor presentation and my simple take on it. It's an interesting company. Decentralized finance is a very interesting industry, but a lot more is needed to be learned about this, I'd say, for the average investor. So that's why I'm excited to continue talking about it. Excited to bring you guys that interview. Make sure to stay tuned to Departures Capital for more information about DeFi. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Drop me a comment once again. Always remember that this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. And that's it. Always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.